GinTech End mill grinders, adopts mistake proofing or poka-yoke idea. The operation of this type of grinders is easy for operators. The main body of this grinding machine model is an integrated, one-body aluminum alloy, making it highly vibration resistant during machining. Our grinders are tagged with competitive prices, good productivity, higher price-performance ratios compared with our competitors' models. Due to our excellent design of the interface, users only need a short period of training programs before they use this machine in the production lines.